So a reminder about the test on the 23rd last week of term. And when you do get back, we'll be ready for doing some revision together. Uh, but first of all, let's have a look. Today, of course, we have a double. So the first period, which will be lesson 26, and that's homework sheet number 4. I'm not going to go there. It's just a case of doing the homework sheet and then scrolling down here. Don't forget to submit it, okay? And basically I'm asking you to submit it by the end of the first period, yeah, or however long it takes you to do it. The longer you take it, the more homework you'll have as far as the second lesson. And the second lesson is basically lesson 27. And if we go to lesson 27, and we have something about pedigree. So we have these, it's like a family tree. We use these family trees to identify how certain traits may be passed on through the family. And as you can see, we have unique shapes. So, for instance, female, male, not affected, affected, first generation, second. So basically, you will learn about that here, as well as don't forget to read your booklet, pages 24 to 25. There's also a PowerPoint. I think it's slides 6 and 7 are worth copying. I repeat, slide 6 and 7, where it talks about the recessive or dominant traits, how they are passed through the pedigree. So that's what we're doing for this lesson, and I think even the next lesson is just more practice. There is a worksheet, so that's how you'll finish off the lesson, or alternately finish off this for homework. That's worksheet 2.7, which is here. So there's your PowerPoint, slide 6 and 7, and there's your worksheet with the video. So, and that should keep you very busy this second period. Of course, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And have a good day.